Oh, who is that? My girl, Miss
Renita.
Renita. How you doing,
Yes,
girl? You
ma'am.
been quiet on here.
I was just waiting. I was just waiting. I guess this is a night of insurance because I have an insurance question too.
Okay.
Um, we were doing a new customer cleaning, doing a deep clean, and one of my staff broke their flat screen TV.
Oh,
Um, it was
dang.
on a dresser, and so we were in the bedroom, and he had a flat screen TV on the dresser. And
Mm-hmm.
so what I said to her before I left her alone was, take the flat screen TV off the dresser, place it on the floor, and then clean the dresser, then put the TV back on the dresser.
Mm-hmm.
So what she tried to do was move the dresser and the TV at the same time, and the
Mm-hmm.
TV fell and it shattered the screen. Um, the
Mm.
customer, he was home at the time and he was pissed. He was
Oh.
so upset that she shattered his flat screen TV. Um, so, I was explaining to him, that I have insurance and that insurance would cover it. But he was so adamant about, his wife is going to be coming home and the first thing she does is go in their bedroom and watch TV. So I went out to Best Buy and purchased a TV, um, and brought it back to the house, just so I could try to solve that issue with him
Mm-hmm.
and replacing the TV. But
Mm-hmm.
is that something that insurance covers in an instance like that? I know they cover like water
Yes.
damage or, destruction or something like that, but would a TV be covered?
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
should be.
It would definitely be covered. What type of insurance do you have now?
I have his cops.
Is it general liability insurance? You got
It's
workers'
general
comp?
liability.
Yeah, your general liability should have took care of that.
Okay.
Yeah, they should have took care of that. Matter of
Okay.
fact, I would still hit them up.
Yeah, I didn't reach out to them yet because
Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry. I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know, you may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th, 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st. All right, and this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it. Along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from Tenacity Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all of my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there and network and ask them all the questions that you want to ask, get their phone numbers, and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas.
I was, I've had the insurance. I've never made a claim, but I just didn't want that to
Oh, okay.
be,
I see what you said. Yeah.
yeah. So I didn't know what they did.
Because
So when,
you already bought the TV and all that, and you didn't
right,
put that on your insurance. I get it. I get it.
yeah,
You don't want to build up too many of those claims. And I take it you got employees.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Good. Dang. Because see, if you had contractors, they would have their own insurance, right?
Right, right, right. And their
Um,
insurance would cover that.
there you go. Because remember, I told you about my incident when my ladies went out there and she was cleaning that stove. and she turned the stove, the knob turned just a little bit.
And she left the stove on.
The gas was leaking for days.
Right.
In the house. And nothing was wrong with the cleanliness. It was clean. However, when the guests checked in, they were pissed off. The owners of the Airbnb, they were pissed off, and he came in it like, man, listen, who's your insurance company? Because he was like, listen, my gas leaked out for days, so I need money for that. I need money because these guests left and I'm out of $2,000 now. So I need money for that. I need money for the gas. I got to drive all the way to Savannah now and fix this problem. I need money for that. So he started all of this stuff. And I was like, let me call my independent contractor and see where her insurance at. Luckily, she still had her insurance and she was paying on it monthly. Now, what would have happened if she wasn't paying on it monthly is it would have fell on me. You know what I mean? So it's a good thing that you went out there, you took care of it, and if it wasn't nothing like a $5,000 something that you had to come out of your pocket. It was something big, major, at least you got insurance for that type of stuff.
Right. Yeah. So, I explained to him, about the insurance, but that probably, if I went through them, probably would have taken a couple weeks. But he, I had to fix that right then, so that's why I just went ahead and left and bought one and brought it back.
Wow, man. So how big was the TV?
It was a 52-inch TV.
Yeah.
And the thing about it is, when I went to Best Buy to replace the TV, I didn't see that brand, so I even got him a better TV and remote than the one he had. It was an upgrade, just to fix it.
Was he happy about that?
He was so excited when I bought that TV.
Wow.
Yeah, he was happy about the upgrade.
Did you think about charging that back to your employee?
Absolutely. She and I had a conversation about that, because I've never had any accidents, of that magnitude. And so I just explained to her, and that's another thing I know now I have to upgrade in my policies when hiring, that any accidents or things that causes damages, that's going to be taken out of their pay.
Yeah.
Especially when I was it a coaching, or should it be a coaching moment?
You gotta make sure you pay attention to the laws when you're dealing with employees. You gotta pay attention to what the state says and how what your state says and how you handle that situation. Okay, because you don't want the employee to end up suing you or nothing like that. Okay. But I do know for sure, contractors, you could definitely handle it that way. But at the end of the day, it's a conversation that you have with her. Listen, I had to come out of my pocket. You want to do a 50-50 split, something, to compensate for this situation. It's just a conversation. Okay. Just a conversation at the end of the day. Okay. But it's all a learning experience. Oh yeah. And just think about it, that's your first claim for the whole year, huh? That's the first one in 3 years. So I And it's not even a claim because you didn't even have to call the insurance people. So just a lesson to be learned. Just a lesson. Okay. Hey you guys, so sorry, I hate to bother you guys again, but I have to tell you about our community, okay? Tenacity Academy community full of cleaning business owners. Right now, we have over 200 members inside of our community right now, okay? You can tap into our community for free and you can join our lives on Saturday night at 8 o'clock Eastern, okay? Or you can join our paid program, which is $55 a month. And you can still join our lives. You can join our challenges. And you can actually win cash. You can win leads. We give away money. We give away leads every week, okay? And you're able to win those challenges and those leads, okay? When you're a part of our paid community, you'll also get access to our courses. You also get access to our library for our replay library. Okay, so for some people that may not have time to catch the live Q&A, we put all of the live Q&As inside of a library, and the paid community is able to tap into that library. That library is very, very valuable. Okay, so all of that for $55 a month. So if you cannot afford our mentorship program, you can at least get inside the community for $55 a month and still get massive value. Okay, and if not, just tap into our free community, and I'll see you guys Saturday night at 8 o'clock. Okay, but I think you guys will enjoy it. See you on the other side. Peace.